The tour guide, Russell, is extremely knowledgeable regarding the areas visited. The humor exhibited makes it fun. The pace of the tour is perfect for those that are moderate of speed while walking. Affordable as well. You will get a lot out of this tour, so sign up now. The tour was very informative. I booked this tour because I wanted to learn about our history since I'm a local tourist, and Sir Russell did not disappoint. He was friendly and I love that he tells the history per site in a very fun and engaging way. Thank you for a wonderful tour. Russell was a fantastic guide, who was very knowledgeable, had lots of personal anecdotes and was attentive to each guest. The tour was well paced and you're not walking in the heat for more than a few minutes at a time. I booked a walking tour for my next written project. I'm writing a story, and Paran are into historical knowledge while I'm doing my study. Gusto kong part bago magsulat talaga yung location studies, ha 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 ha. And during this tour I felt like a student again attending field trips. Na miss ko yan. How I took those trips for granted. Mabait and sobrang knowledgeable din ng guide namin. Our group had 10 people, which was perfect, and all of us were catered naman. Halos kapitbaik. It was a good decision to book this tour while waiting for my event in the evening. Learned a lot about the history of our country, and it's just so amazing to actually see the historical places in Intramuros. Sir Russell knows the history well and it was very informative. I have seen these sites before on books only, but now I have more understanding how the history happened. Me and my mom had an amazing experience. Thank you, Sir Russell. Sir Russell was highly knowledgeable, friendly, and engaging, making the tour both informative and enjoyable, and my son loved it. He provided insightful details about the locations we visited, adding a personal touch that truly enhanced the experience. Some of the attractions listed in the itinerary were unavailable due to uncertain events, but the over 100% recommended if you want to visit Intramuros. It's just different if you have a guide with you. Our guide, who is Russell, is very knowledgeable, professional, and friendly. His tour was very informative and interesting. Definitely we would 100% recommend this tour for anyone visiting the Philippines. Russell is an amazing tour guide and we would enjoy taking his history class if he was a college professor. He is a delight, funny, engaging, and always willing to answer questions and expand on things you want to know about. On this tour, you learn a lot about the establishment of Manila, the Philippines, historic socio-political events, the Spanish, American and Japanese colonization, Jose Rizal, and so many other key moments and figures in the countries. Sir Russell's walking tour was superb. Not only that this tour was enjoyable, it was very informative. Sir Russell's was very patient with all our queries and questions, and most of all he is very knowledgeable with all the facts regarding the tour. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji.